influence of so many different cultures and the push of trends encouraging creativity, it's no wonder Los Angeles has a world-class restaurant scene. You'll have more choices for high-end foodie experiences than you'll know what to do with. One place to start is the Bazaar, where celebrated chef José Andrés brings Spanish cuisine to new, innovative heights. Another LA favorite is Italian cuisine. Try the dishes based on rustic Italian home cooking at Angelini Osteria. Or have a thin-crust pizza at Bottega Louie and finish the meal with one of their pastries. Want something more casual? Visit the Apple Pan. This diner has been a local favorite since the 40s, and it still serves up one of the best burgers in LA. The hickory burger is the way to go. Or have a French dip sandwich at Philippe the Original, said to be the oldest restaurant in the city, dating as far back as 1908. For some Hollywood history and a martini, visit Musso and Frank Grill. Countless old Hollywood stars like Charlie Chaplin, Gary Cooper, and Marilyn Monroe were once regulars there. For something a little more modern, try Katsuya Hollywood. It's one of LA's best-known sushi restaurants for good reason, and celebrity sightings are not uncommon. From French to burgers to sushi, no matter what food experience you're after, you can find it in LA.